Look, check this shit out, man. This is from my homie Thug niggas from Tupac. Finna kill this hoe, nigga. Finna get the spot hot. You know what I'm saying? Look. 10, 9, 8, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Niggas little 5 of yo stand with the gun. Nigga, I did the whole countdown. Gonna do something. Nigga, I'm from the A-Town. Nigga, I'm getting it crunkin'. I don't give a fuck. I blow up on you, Joe. Blow the finest fucking dodo. Nigga, y'all already know I never fuck with no skanky hoe. Cause I fuck with no trick, no slut. Nigga, I keep that shit out my fingerprints. Nigga, I got to hide the ever fucking bench. Nigga, what's the deal? I know how to use the piece with no prints. Nigga, yeah, I know how to fucking lose my scent. Nigga, I know how to get away from my trace. Nigga, I'ma come, nigga, I'm aiming for your fucking face. Nigga, what's the deal? Cause I take you out this fucking place. Nigga, I'm a real nigga, conniving for my paper. Fuck all you damn haters, I'ma see your ass later. Knocking on your door, fuck your damn hoe. Fuck your damn spouse, nigga, I left her in the ditch, hoe. I don't care, I will kill your wife and fucking kids. Nigga, I'm a motherfucking true nigga, I got no reason to live. I don't give a fuck, you got to handle my business. Nigga, what's the deal? Cause I got to end this. Nah, I never fucking start no drama I can finish. Nah, what's the deal? Cause you niggas know I'm in this. Nigga, staying true to the game. Niggas know my name, popping up in this fame. Fuck this dirty fucking game. Nigga, I ain't in it for the fucking damn fame. I want the damn money. Fuck what the hoes got to bring, nigga. I get pussy when I want it, when I need it. Nigga, I blow up on the chronic and you know they getting honey. Nigga, they just see my swag, dig my style. Nigga, what's the deal? Cause they like a nigga cause he buck wild. What's the deal? Been the golden child even though I'm middle age. Nigga, what's the deal? I'm praying till I get my grave. I don't give a fuck, yeah, this life is fucking shite. Nigga, what's the deal? Cause I never thought fucking twice. Nigga, I end your life, take your ass to pieces. I cut you up, a nigga, and I'll have to release you. I don't give a fuck, I distribute around the world. Nigga, I'm a real nigga, I so with no girl. Nigga, I'm staying solo. If I want the pussy hoe, I'll just go and talk to any holo. Nigga, I fuck with them dime pieces, keep the marquises on my damn teeth. Nigga, see the diamonds on my pinky. I don't care, yeah, you niggas know I ain't picky. Cause there's so many hoes tryna bob on my dickly. I don't give a damn, I'm not prickly. Nigga, what's the deal? Yeah, you niggas shining with me. Got to come in and you niggas know I'm in my house. Nigga, I don't got no fucking damn spots. I stayin' solo even in that damn drought. I'm smoking on the south sack, nigga. I'm from that fucking southeast, nigga. Bustin' nigga out in his fucking teeth. I don't care, I will release. I don't give a fuck, I got to keep it on my fucking teeth, nigga. It's them diamonds shining. Nigga, what's the deal? Yeah, you see me in the shine reclining, nigga. I don't care, cause you boys all scared. Too scared to fucking play. Nigga, what's the deal? You dead. Send your ass to the grave, send your ass to the ditch. I don't care cause I'm living life like I'm rich, living so lavishness, nigga, it's fantastic. Nigga, what's the deal? Cause you boys acting drastic. I don't give a fuck, yeah, you can't fucking handle it. Nigga, what's the deal? Cause you acting like a rabbit, jumping up and down cause you getting fucking sprung over some bitch that I don't got it already from. Nigga, I already fucking hit. Best believe I'ma win a nigga, I'ma fucking spit. I'ma let you know how I live in life rich. Nigga, I'ma come represent Austin fucking Texas. Rose from the fucking 4-1. Nigga, ain't in no Lexus. Fuck all you damn hoes that is texting. Nigga, I'm in the Jaguar in the foreign. Nigga, what's the deal? Cause I ain't never been boring. 4-1 Southeast, nigga. Austin, Texas is where I'm from, nigga. It's Fabian, nigga. You got something to say? Come say it to my face.